Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Welcome back everyone to another Bitcoin update. So getting started, bit of a sideways day today, not too much that happened in the market. We currently have been seeing in the last couple of hours a bit of a sell-off. I added this lower support region as well. As you can see, if we were to break below this 69,000 level, if we get a decisive break below, then we can look for our next support here for this fourth wave like we were talking about in the last video. Our current view of this move right now is it could be part of a larger degree A wave, and in this A wave we could have had a wave, a smaller degree A wave and B wave in, and now we could be working on the C wave to the upside, which is a 5-wave move. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move up, all in that third wave possibly. Sorry, I should have clarified. So all of this could have been within the third wave, and then we could go for one more high in this third wave. If we already did top, however, then we could look for this next support region between 67,225 to 68,504. If we break below this second wave degree, then we can start saying that this yellow fifth wave to the downside could start to be in play. Obviously, we would need a little bit more confirmation of that as well, because we could always just break below this B wave that we had over here, and we could just have that go for a extended retest before we can head higher. That's always possible as well. And what we would be looking for in that move is our first indicator would be a break below the second wave, which is around 63,000. So far a 1, 2, all this could technically be a third wave. We could be in that fourth wave, and then we could get one more high. However, it's totally possible as long as we hold this smaller support region, then we could always get one more high in that third wave to the upside, where then we could get a fourth wave and then a final fifth wave for that A wave, and then we could start tracking that B wave to the upside. Now, if we break below both support regions and we start heading towards this trend line, that would be a indication that this could just be a yellow fifth wave playing out. Now, like we've been saying in some of the videos, when we are within a range like this, sometimes these structures are super fragile and they can break very easily, and we could just keep going range bounding. So that's always a possibility to look out for as well. And as of right now, we only have had a 3-wave move up. We haven't had a 5-wave move up. So this could very well just be a corrective bounce, and we could be heading towards this trend line again and then going sideways. That's always a possibility as well with only a 3-wave move. What we want to see is a hold of this support if we are in this fourth wave, and then one more high in that fifth wave to complete that A wave. If we break below support, that's our first indication that we could be starting this yellow fifth wave, break through this trend line, then that is our second indication that this yellow trend line or this yellow fifth wave is playing out. Our final indication would obviously be a break below this 60,000 level for this low. So there isn't really too much to look for other than hold support and try to, we obviously need the buyers to be interested to push the price back up as well. And so far this whole move could just be considered a 3-wave move, where this could be an A wave, B wave bounce, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move to the downside in that C wave, which creates that larger degree A, B, C 3-wave corrective move. And we could start heading for that possible one more high. If we are in this fourth wave, then it could be something possible as an A, B, C and an A wave, A, B, C and a B wave, A, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave move down in that C wave to create or to get to that fourth region as well. Obviously, we could always just break below and head straight to it before bouncing off. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Kind of have to let the market do its thing again, be patient, see if we can bounce off support and hold support. Otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.